Hello there, welcome back to Lego Loft. I've now put everything back together again and rebuilt the city. There's bound to be some changes later. For the moment, I'll just talk you through what I've done. As you can see, the airport is now swapped with the construction site because of the way we had to lay the track. There's the other train, not running just at the moment. Okay, come down now, added a signal box. Just about to see that there. Having some repairs done on at the moment. Just see if I can show you inside. There we go, there's the signal box there. Also added a little coffee shop, which is there. And we can see that the high street has changed dramatically. I had to move a lot of things around. Also added a sandwich bar. Just get around there. To there. There we go. Also underground or subway. One there. And another subway or underground there. With a ticket machine just outside. Station's still in the same place as I put it at the moment. Right, I'm just going to go under and take you around the other side now. It's not quite as easy to manoeuvre around anymore. Okay. There we go. There's the train going through down there. Just going to go right round the back. Campsite still there. Some more crossings. Let's just walk round. Also added a surf place. Right, now we're going to squeeze round. Okay, right at the back now. So there's the station. Got a bike hire there. And we put a Jacob's ladder in for access to the beach, which is being decorated at the moment, as you can see. Also put disabled access in. Obviously they can't use the Jacob's ladder, so they can get through there by calling the station. There is a barrier the other side that will drop down for safety. against the green and red light. Let's just move around a bit. And there we go. The things will change. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it costs nothing to subscribe. That would be really helpful. Look forward to doing my next update. Thanks for watching.